Tingnan nyo naman yung dala ko. Ako na po ko red and green. Unbox some Sonic Angels. Hey, ciao. So cute. I'm so excited to fall in love again. Good morning, everyone. So, ayan. Hey, guys. It's me. Welcome back to another vlog. So, ayan. This vlog is actually gonna be exciting kasi we will be creating my 2025 vision board. Pero, mamaya pa yun sa vlog na to. Kasi first, meron tayong agenda. Meron tayong lakad, actually. So, today, me and Val actually rented an Airbnb sa may Pasig. Trip lang namin to go there again. Very chill outfit kasi we're gonna commute lang. I'm so excited to do my 2025 vision board kasi first time kong gagawa ng vision board. Gusto ko lang i-manifest yung mga bagay-bagay this year. Bago natin gawin yung vision board, come along with me muna sa lakad na to. And yeah. Tingnan nyo naman yung dala ko. Like, backpack lang yung dala ko. And this bag. Ready na ako. Here's my outfit. Very chill fit lang kasi nga magko-commute kami ni Val. TBTK lang na shirt and some track shorts. Ano ba tawag dito? Tapos, I'm gonna wear my white Jordan 1s. Kailangan na mag-retire nung shoes na yon. Like, I swear, grabe bugbog na siya. And ginanyan ko lang yung hair ko kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang mag-messy look. Tapos mamaya clean look. Kasi may lakad kami mamayang gabi ni Val. We're going to Pobla. It's my very first time going to Pobla. So, I'm scared. I'm really scared, pero at the same time, I'm so excited. Kasi first time ko talaga magpo-Pobla. Just gonna have a great time. Di ko na alam sasabihin ko. Hello! So yan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa mga comments sa last video. So shoutout kay Kiefer, Ann, Cool Blue Entertainment, Ian, Mark Gerard, Arlan, Ja, Da, Coco, Adriel, Justin, Bea, Maren, Ezekiel, Michael, Benedict, Martha, Adri, and lastly kay Prince CJ. So yan, kung gusto mo shoutout sa next video, mag-comment lang kayo down below ng manifest. So yan, kung gusto mo shoutout, mag-comment na kayo. And yeah, back to the video. Hinihintay ko lang si Mama kasi si Mama hahatid niya kami sa terminal ng bus. Ay, magsispray pa pala akong Baygon dito sa bahay. Pero anyways, ayun, that's the situation. I'll see you guys later.
I'm tired out of New York City. I'm over how it moves so slow. Since summertime when you were with me. Now I got nowhere left to go.
An update. Nandito na kami sa estancia. Like, ang dami na nangyari. Hindi ko na na-vlog. We're just here sa Gongcha. Hey, yan. Okay po. Okay po. Thank you po. Meron tayong project with Gongcha. Shoot lang namin real quick dito. Like, nag-settle down na kami sa Airbnb kanina. Hindi nakalimutan ko nga pakita. Sobrang pagod kasi. I just posted yung project naman natin with BDO. Kung nakikita niyo to, please show some love. Ayan po. Wait lang. Send ko pala yung promotional code. Ginagawa mo. BRB again. Mag-film lang kami. Ayan. Tapos na kami mag-film. So, ito yung mga na-pull namin. Ako na-pull ko red and green. Tapos si Val na-pull niya. Parehong red. We're just waiting. Kasi meron pa silang ibibigay na kit sa akin. Ang dami na nangyayari today. Sobra. Like, ang dami kong nag-post ako ng 2 sponsored posts. Tapos gumawa pa ako ng sponsored content. Kung saan na kami nakarating. Alam niyo pa, hinanap-hanap namin tong Gongcha. Sobrang hirap. Sobrang hirap hanapin. Nasa 4th floor pala. Hanap kami nahanap sa 1st floor. Thank you very much, Gongcha. Ay, pakita ko yung Airbnb namin later.
Like, mapakita mo eh.
It's very simple. Like,
No, don't show them.
it's...
No!
It's
embarrassing.
actually. Pero sa presyo niya, parang okay na siya. Pero, it's not...
There are better options out there na
Yes.
lalagdag ka ng how much? Like
Yes.
hundreds, few hundreds.
Pero,
No, don't show them.
Hindi ko na siya justify pero it's literally simple. Yun lang talaga masasabi ko sa kanya. It's simple. Tulugan lang siya. Wala naman tayong ibang agenda. So, the coffee is actually good. Balak pa namin mag-cafe. Kaso, nag-coffee na. So,
Have a coffee at the downstairs diner. Cause everybody knows you too. And now the fun is turning on.
Hey guys, good morning. So ayan, I got cute and I feel cute right now. I love this outfit. It's very retro. I love it so much. So ayan, nag-ayos na ako kasi, first of all, walang kuryente guys. Brownout dito sa amin. So I'm gonna head out in a few minutes. Pero papakita ko muna sa inyo yung vision board na ginawa ko kagabi. I actually did my vision board na. And ayan, I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Pero before that, I would just like to appreciate my fit today. I wanna wear it somewhere else. Pero before ko papakita sa inyo yung vision board ko, I will unbox some Sony Angels. Kasi bigay to ni Ate Cham. And galing ng Japan. We're gonna unbox them. And I'm so excited to unbox kasi parang na-miss ko yung Sony Angels. This is yung version 3. Ayan, what's this? The Chihuahua! It's so cute! So cute! Ang cute naman ito. Wait, next is version 1. Dito, I really want the rabbit, the frog, the panda, and the monkey. Yun yung mga gusto ko. So, unbox. Dito, hindi ko sinabi ko anong gusto ko. In-unbox ko lang siya kabod. Ay, it's the monkey! Oh, cute! Hala! These are so cute! I love them! Thank you, Ticham! Punta na tayo sa office kasi doon ko na lang explain yung aking vision board. I'm so excited kasi ang ganda nung kinalabasan ng vision board ko. I really like it. First time ko gumawa ng vision board actually kasi sinasabi ng mga friends ko, I don't need a vision board kasi sobrang lakas ng manifestation ko. And I wanna boost that manifestation. And I want to make it tangible. All the creators I'm following, all the vloggers that I'm following, lagi silang gumagawa ng vision board nila. And somehow, namamanifest siya into reality. So I wanna make my own vision board. Like, natatakot nga yung mga friends ko kapag nagsasalita ako. Kasi nga, ang lakas daw ng manifestation ko. Sobrang lakas daw ng manifestation ko, hindi nakakatuwa. Like, when I say something bad, sabi nila, huy, kumatok ka nga kasi yung manifestation ko daw is so... Meron nga akong na-manifest na hindi ako natutuwa pero we're not gonna talk about that. Here's my 2025 vision board. So ayan, nakikita nyo, it's kinda messy. I like it that way kasi gusto ko yung scrapbook vibes. I'm gonna explain each and every photo here. Ayun siya. Oh, it's so cute. As you can see, ditong parts, ayan, meron tayong mga pera, ayan, 1,000 bills, as in super, ang daming pera. Meron dito yung work ko, and this one, ayan. Meron tilapia dyan, yung mga iba pa naming business ventures. I really wanna manifest abundance. Wala lang. Bakit ba? Gusto ko ng abundance eh. Gusto kong madaming pera. Gusto kong madaming pumasok na pera this 2025. I edited the bank account and savings account. 10 million pesos. I wrote abundance kasi I really want to manifest abundance. Not just for me, but also for my family. Overflowing income and good flow ng money sa amin. I really want to manifest a lot more clients sa work ko. I wanna manifest mag-boom lalo yung businesses namin this 2025 and I really want to be more wise with the money that I'm holding. Ayoko yung basta-basta lang dumadaan yung pera. Yung mga investments na ginawa natin, gusto ko mag-flourish na sila this 2025 and I feel like mag-flourish na talaga sila. I'm manifesting. Dito sa right side, you guys know I'm not really the travel type. I mean, I've been out of the country twice. And both are Japan. I've never been to any other country. So I really want to manifest more travels this 2025. May na-manifest ko and I put Hong Kong Disneyland dito kasi I really want to go sa Hong Kong Disneyland kasi ever since I was a kid, pangarap ko na talaga makapunta ng Disneyland ng Hong Kong. Kasi yun naman yung laging pinupuntahan, di ba? Yun naman yung pangarap natin dati. Pero I've been to Japan na Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Sea, di ba? And ayun, I still wanna go. Hopefully, makapunta tayo ng Hong Kong this year. Manifest ko din ang Thailand. I don't know. Parang Thailand just interests me. Not just because of the shopping, but because of the culture. I really wanna experience Thailand for some reason. Naglagay lang ako ng picture ng flight namin nun sa Japan. Ito, on the way kami sa Japan dyan. Airport pics going to Japan. Naglagay din ako ng mga picture ng mga friends ko. ito si Val, ito sila Salas. I really wanna focus more also on my friends, my support system. Somehow, I lost them along the way. Hindi naman, parang hindi ko sila prioritize last year. I really wanna prioritize my friendships. Kaya nilagay ko yung iilan sa kanila. May nga ako mga friends na hindi ko nalagay dito. Sorry guys, wala nang space. Okay, magtatampo. Nung papunta kami in Japan, and I really wanna travel more. Instead na bumili ako ng mga material things this year, I wanna invest more on enjoying life. This 2025, kasi parang it's safe to say, I think 25 is midlife era ko na. So, I really wanna invest more in traveling and more on experiences rather than material things. Pero, meron pa din. Hindi naman mawawala yun sa akin. Hello? Self-affirmation. I wrote self-affirmation. Ang biggest na kalaban ko last year was myself. I'm not gonna cry. Pero I'm about to cry. You guys know what I've been through last year and shit, I'm not gonna cry. Get yourself together, Cedric Salio. Self-affirmation. Kasi I really wanna be more kind to myself. Kasi I've been so hard on myself last year. I just tore myself apart last year. Naglagay ako ng picture dito ng when I was reading. Ayan. Naglagay ako ng picture dito. And itong body read. Naglagay ako ng picture ng body read dyan. Kasi I really wanna read more books this year. Na-realize ko how helpful reading is for me. I really wanna fall in love again with reading. Dito sa part na to, this one, I really wanna manifest love. Ayan, not just romantic love. Kasi nilagay ko din yung picture ng family ko dyan. Dinagdag ko to. I really wanna manifest love this year. With regards to my family. Bakit ang emotional ng video na to? Oh my gosh, naiiyak ako. I've never felt closer to them. Ever since nung dark days nga, I've never felt closer to my family. Kaya, I really wanna keep yung closeness namin with each other this 2025, and I wanna focus my energy towards the love that I'm giving to my family and also the love that I'm receiving from my family. Kasi, I've never felt so loved. Naramdaman ko na there are a lot of people na nagmamahal sa akin, especially my family. So, ay, ba't ako naiiyak? Minamanifest ko na maging closer pa kami. Much closer than we did before. Nararamdaman ko na talaga na sobrang close ko with my family right now. Actually, hindi na valid tong title natin kasi I'm not living alone anymore. I'm living with my mom, si mama. Sinamahan niya ako dito sa house. Dito siya nakatira sa aking guest room. Wala mo na mag-guest room kasi dito na si mama ngayon. Pero ayun, I'm really, really happy. I get to spend every day with my mom. Pero wala siya ngayon. Umalis siya kasi nga walang power. So, nagtitiis ako dito. Ayun, syempre, I really wanna manifest. Ayan. Romantic love. Ano ba? Sino ba naman may ayaw ng romantic love? Kasi, I feel like I'm such a lover boy. For some reason, hindi ko kaya yung date for fun. I don't know. Pero pwede naman. Kasi I've tried it before, pero parang hindi ko kaya. I'm a date to marry type of guy. Parang hindi ako papasok sa relationship if I'm not sure. Ganun ako eh. Kasi I've only had one ex-girlfriend and one ex-boyfriend. Nakita nyo naman. Ayun, isa lang naman yung ex ko. Like, wala naman akong ibang ex. I mean, dalawa. Yung puppy love nung high school, parang hindi ko na siya kinakount kasi parang puppy love lang naman siya. Pero I've only ever had one serious relationship and it went on for years. Diba? Nakita nyo naman. I don't play around. Hindi ako papasok sa relationship if I don't see myself with you. Pero ayun, I really wanna manifest genuine romantic love. Even though, hindi naman super hirap. Like, ay, hindi ako nagdadrama ako as if walang try. A lot of people are trying. Pero ayun nga kasi, I give chances naman to people. Pero ayun nga kasi, I don't date for fun. If hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko with you years from now, hindi na ako magsasayang ng energy and time. Ewan ko, as a lover boy, hindi ko talaga kaya. Hindi ko kaya magka-hoe face. I mean, lagi kong nirarant sa friends ko na I really wanna have a hoe face, ganon. Pero hindi ko talaga kaya. Like, it's just not me. Sabi nga nila, magpaka-hoe face muna ako ngayong single ako, pero hindi ko talaga kaya. Hindi ko siya kaya. I really wanna make genuine connections. And ayun, I hope this 2025, someone will come with genuine intentions. Alam niyo ba, na-excite ako. Right now, I'm really hopeful with regards to love. Last year kasi, I've given up on love. As in, I gave up. I don't want it. This time around, I feel like I'm very hopeful. I'm looking forward to the day where I fall in love again. Ay, ang cheesy ni Kuya Sid. Pero ayun, parang I'm so excited to fall in love again. It's time naman na to open the door, to open my heart, And ayun, I'm really looking forward to falling in love again. Wala pa! Huwag kayong excited. Pero when the time comes, I'm really looking forward to finding someone with genuine intentions and ayun, the feeling of falling in love, I'm really looking forward to it. Kaya minamanifest ko yung love. Ang dami ko sinabi sa love, diba? Tapos, ayan, this is my favorite part. This part naman is yung mga material things na kinukwento ko sa inyo. My manifestations and the vibes that I'm going for this year. I really want to get into this type of vibe. Yung old money rich vibe. I don't know, feeling ko bagay ko siya. Meron nga Birkin dito. Malay nyo magka-Birkin ako bigla. Hindi kayo sure, pero ayan, meron Birkin dito. Pero ayan, manifesting. Malay natin. And meron din Goyard tote sa baba kasi I really want that Goyard tote. I really want to make it my work bag kasi it's very light. Kasi yung mga tote bag ko ngayon, ang bibigat na nila as is. Wala pa yung iPad ko, mabigat na sila. What more kapag nilagay ko yung iPad ko? So, I'm manifesting a Goyard tote. Tapos, ayan nga, yung fit na to, parang very casual, pero very old money, diba? Natakpan na siya ng konti, pero a guy holding a lot of shopping bags. Kasi, yun yung something na hindi ko naman maaalis. Yeah, I really want to be more wise with my money. Pero at the same time, syempre, hindi ko naman pagkakait yung sarili ko, diba? I wanna spoil myself right now. Kasi yun nga, I'm 24 and I'm single. Kanino pa ba mapupunta yung pera ko, diba? So, I wanna invest in myself then more. I have the means to na. Kasi yun, wala na akong iniisip na iba. Pero anyways, ayan, I also put this Cartier Tonk. I really want this Cartier Tonk watch. As in, super na in love ako. When we went Rolex shopping the other day, yung ate ko, nag-manifest sila ng Rolex and nakabili sila ng asawa niya ng Rolex. I was supposed to buy it. Nakakasasabi ko, nagpigil ako. Okay? Wag mo na. Let's wait a little bit. Yan, kapag ima-manifest ko, mabibili ko naman siya someday. Nilagay ko muna siya sa vision board ko. This is the Cartier Tonk watch. I really want this watch. Like, oh my gosh. Guys, dream watch. Ayan, naglagay ako dito na to. Itong yellow na bilog. Apple HomePod. I want this HomePod. Like, tagal ko nang gusto ng HomePod na to. I've looked everywhere. Sa mga Power Mac dito sa Pilipinas, sinasabi nila, hindi daw sila nag-release ng HomePod dito sa Philippines. And I really want one. Kasi mukha siyang room decor na yellow. So, perfect for me kasi yellow. Focus ko yun dito sa kitchen kasi I spend most of my time here sa sala and sa kitchen. Gusto ko may speaker ako na ready to go. I've seen a lot of videos sa TikTok about the HomePod. Grabe, I really want it. Ang funny, naglagay ako ng TV. I don't know if you noticed, pero naglagay ako ng TV dito. Ang laki-laki ng bahay, walang TV! Oh my gosh! Kasi, ang thinking ko, I don't need a TV anymore. I have my iPad, I have my phone, I have my computer. Ano lang ako manonood, pero ayun nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, I really wanna spend more time with my family. Not just my inner family, but also my cousins, ganyan. Alam mo yun, mayayaya ko silang mag-movie dito sa house. Even my tito-titas. Mayayaya ko sila dito sa house. Parang dito lang kami sa sala, manonood kami ng movie. I really want that. Ayun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, I really wanna cherish family love. Feeling ko pag bibili ako ng TV, syempre, kahit kami lang dalawa ni mama, kasi nga dito na nakatira si mama, yung if you want to watch a movie, we can. Makakapag-Netflix kami dito sa sala. When we were building this house, hindi ko na siya sinali sa budget kasi nga, parang I really don't need a TV. Sabi ko, I realized na, ayun, kailangan ko din siya. Yayain ko yung mga pinsan ko, uy, marathon tayo ng movies. Bili lang kami ng chichirya dito sa Alpha Mart, ganun. Yung very simple lang, pero it's the bonding. Yun yung hinahanap ko talaga. It's the bonding with them. For the past years, I've never felt more unattached. Somehow, lumayo yung loob ko from them. Yun lang. Yan lang yung aking vision board. I was supposed to print this, tapos i-frame ko siya. Nakahanap ako ng better solution for it. Ang gagawin ko na lang, instead na ipa-frame ko siya, I'm gonna make it my wallpaper dito sa iPad. Kasi I use this iPad every single day. Kasi nga sa work and syempre, for leisure, main device ko na ginagamit. Like, if I lose this iPad, I would never be okay ever again. I love this iPad so much. Gagawin ko siyang wallpaper. Ayan na. Ayan na siya. Diba? Parang everyday ko siya makikita. Everyday ko makikita yung manifestations ko. These are just my manifestations for the year. Naka-separate kasi yung goals ko. This 2025. I wrote them down sa journal ko. And that is something that I want to keep personal na. I'm gonna share it if into fruition na siya, kapag andyan na siya, if tangible na siya, dun ko pa lang siya i-share sa inyo. Pero while I'm doing it, ayan, yung mga goals ko for 2025, hindi ko muna siya share. I'm so sorry guys. ayoko muna silang i-share kasi baka ma-jinx. Malakas ang manifestation ko pero malakas din ang jinx ko. So, ayan di po, mukha siyang scrapbook and I love it. I love this setup so much. I'm probably gonna do this every single year. Itong vision board, I'm manifesting this for my 2025. Nahahappy ako. Ayan nakikita niyo ba? Every time I see it, nahahappy ako. I get to see it every single day. I highly recommend you guys do it as well. Meron mga templates sa Canva if naghahanap kayo. Yung akin kasi, alam niyo naman ako, ayoko nagta-template. So, mano-manong gawa yung akin. May mga templates sa Canva. If you want to do a simple vision board lang, you can. Probably I'm gonna head out na yan. I'm just gonna go to SM. Kasi nga mainit. I will buy a bunch of books. Kasi there's a lot of books that I really wanna buy. Gusto ko ng self-help books. Kasi puro fiction itong mga to Pero mag-film muna ako ng TikTok kasi. BRB! Pero gusto ko magpalit ng outfit. Kasi baka nakaka-intimidate yung suot ko. Pero sige.